We're here at the AdvantageLumber.com booth. I'm here with Adam from Deckwise. This is a Deckwise cable rail system made for tropical hardwoods. Adam, tell us a little bit about it.
Love to. So we got two different systems that we've came up with. We have an outside to outside where all the fittings go down the outside. This is where you tighten it from. Then we have an inside series where the fitting goes just on the inside of the wood, screwed in.
One of the things I'm seeing is that typically you see a really bulky hardware sticking out from the posts. What are we missing here?
Well, what we did is when we designed the fasteners and the hardware, it's all hidden inside the post itself. So it leaves out the bulky hardware and gives you that clean, sleek look.
Okay, so it looks good, but the main concern with cable rail is how it's going to perform over time. Right. How does this rail system hold up?
Right, so what we did, instead of going with a push lock system or finger trap type of hold, you're going to crimp your fitting, your threaded fitting onto the cable itself. Once fed through, it's going to then, with our precise turned threads, it's going to give it a real clean, tight look, tight fit into the fitting. Extending the life and the strength.
Got it. Now, my favorite feature is that this cable comes not only as a stainless steel, but also as a black oxide, which, as you can see, it really makes the cable rail disappear. So that's it from us at AdvantageLumber.com. We'll see you next time.